Hi, in this session we will try to make this particular layout or the font design a responsive page so that it will work smoothly on mobiles, tablets, laptops and desktops. But before we do that, you should quickly grab what we have done in the previous sessions. So till here we have done transitions and added some smoothly flow of this two layouts. This is a sign in and sign up form in a single layout. Now I want this to be responsive, so when I minimize this, see when I squeeze this, it should not get disturbed, but if it is beyond its width and height of 800, if you can remember it, I will go to my CSS. I told that the total container should be 800 and 500. Now if you are squeezing less than 800, now this is something getting squeezed. But one more thing I'm not interested is I've assigned sign in the image 1 box. So this is image 1 box and this is image 2. Okay. But when I squeeze it, the image 1 is overflowing with the image 2, which is very not appropriate. So for this I have to solve this. What I'll do is I'll go to the image. Where exactly is the image? This is the image box somewhere over here. I'm going to quickly go and just copy this same line. Copy and paste it over here, and let's go there. Means you're in the image box. So in the HTML, you're in the image box. We have an image tag. So I'm going to tell the image tag you should be purely position. I want you to be absolute. Okay, and from top you should be 0, left you should be 0, and you should have the width completely 100%, which should not overflow, and height should be the complete 100% what you have assigned. And I want object fit, means this is, I don't want this to be like the overlay of other photo. So object fit, I want you to cover it. So let's go and try this again. So let's refresh first. This is refreshed. Now when I squeeze this, see, it's perfect. Okay, but the question is, if I want to watch this on a mobile, let's say if you want to make it responsive, you do one thing. You're on a Chrome browser. If you're on a Chrome browser, right click, inspect, and when you click inspect, okay, it should give you this pop-up, and I want you to click this one, which makes a device kind of explaining which tool you're visiting from. So at this point of time, I'm on a Moto 4G, and if it is a Galaxy S5, this is how it looks, same. But if I'm on a Pixel 2, it is like this, and if I'm on this one, this is like this one, it's kind of like this. But hard to say is, I don't like this to show like this, okay, half of half. So if it is like too small, it should be like hiding this photo and bringing only this particular layout. So I have to add some media queries for this. So what we'll do is we'll add at the bottom, somewhere over here, I'm going to add the media queries. Let's add it. So here at the bottom, what I'll do is I'm going to use a media, and I'm going to tell if max underscore width, if it is 991 pixel, then get inside, and session dot container means I'm here, somewhere here, this one, session dot container. Okay, so I'm going to tell session dot container, and I will tell that it should be max width should be 400 pixel. Like you should remember the total width of the container is 800, right? This is 800. This is a container, we have 800, means I'm making it half, that's 400. When it is like max width is 991. Okay, and I'm going to say session.container.img box. This img box, I want you to be like display. It should hide it. This is display, means if it is 991, it should show the container with 400 pixel and the image should be hidden. That's what I'm writing, and I'm just saying session.container.user.form box should be totally taking the 100%. Okay, So let's add some 100%, which should be 100%. So this is what we have done as a media query. So when I refresh it, okay, and click on the view page or inspect element, and now you can see that this is perfectly working. So I'm on a Moto G, it's showing you this, and I'm on a Pixel, it's working, and I'm on a iPad Pro, this is big one. So what I'll do is I'll just click this and let's minimize this way. I'm going to minimize this. So it's working, but one thing is for sure is it's not giving 100% of the screen. So let's solve this one so that it can take the complete 100%. Okay. Now when you minimize this, I think this is not appropriate. It should take 100%. Apart from that, I'm also able to see that whenever I right click, inspect element, and let's go and watch something over here. I'm trying to watch on Galaxy. It's kind of like this. So what I will do is, the mistake that we have done is when I minimize it, it's not giving 100% is because you are telling the media query somewhere here. I've done a mistake that the form box, not the form. So you are trying to target the complete form box and all of its elements should be 100%. So I'm just telling not the form tag but the form box should be with 100%. Now let's go and refresh this and let's minimize. Now you can see it is giving complete 100%. Okay, so it's going to work now. Let's go and see whether it's working on all the devices. Like for example, I want to see this in the Chrome. It's working in the Chrome also. This is Mozilla, guys, and I'm checking in Chrome also. So it's working fine. Now go to inspect element and let's go. Yeah, it's working in the Galaxy S5 also. See, you can check in various devices. So this is now responsive. So I hope you enjoyed this session of the layout, and we have made a sign-in form and sign-up form within a single layout. So I think you liked it, and thanks for watching and being patient, and it's completely responsive. And I hope you enjoyed this course, and I'll see you on next course. Bye.